Hi everybody, my name is Dana Nahai. I am a registered dietitian nutritionist. I've been in practice for almost 20 years and I started this web series as a way to answer questions queried from the internet about how to eat. So today I am answering a question that I frequently get from patients about plant-based diet. So if you've been watching any of these segments, you know I want you eating a whole lot of produce. And so when I'm working formally with my clients, I call that a plant-based diet. So what exactly is a plant-based diet? Well, the first question I usually get is is it synonymous with being vegetarian or vegan? No, in fact, what it means is exactly what it sounds. It's a basis of plants in your diet. And so as a guideline, I always suggest to my clients to try to focus on using that rule where half of all your meals and snacks are fresh produce, but plants are not necessarily limited to produce, right? Plants are also dried beans, grains, nuts, and seeds, and the products made from those items, okay? So when I'm talking about plant-based, I'm talking about not only fresh, frozen, any iteration of produce, I'm also talking about dried beans and seeds and grains. So that expands 50% of your plate. And what it means, ideally, is that 85% of the total volume of food that you eat every day would come from the source of a plant. Okay, so if you laid out in front of you all the food that you consume in a day, 85% of that total volume, not by calories, but by volume, would come from a plant-based source. Okay, now what you do with the remainder of that 15%, ideally you add lean protein, seafood, fermented dairy if you like it. But honestly, if you're eating 85% of your total volume of food from plants, you could fill that extra 15% with donuts and Doritos. I mean, that's not optimal, right? But you are covering so many bases by focusing on that 85% total volume from plants that it allows you to really make room for the other foods that you enjoy that maybe aren't optimal choices, okay? We can talk much more about plant-based diets, but today I want to leave you with the idea that not only do I want you eating a whole lot of produce, I want you eating 85% of your total volume of food from a plant-based source, including produce, dried beans, grains, nuts, and seeds, all right? And that's volume, not calories. Okay, and ideally the majority of the plants are going to be vegetables, okay, and you're still following that same rule where half of the volume of all your meals and snacks are going to come from produce. All right, you guys have a great day, and if you've made it this far to the end of the video, if you could give me a thumbs up, that'd be great. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. Bye.